What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon SEO and exactly how you get ranked on that first page of Amazon. This is going to be a very clear tutorial of exactly how it works, exactly how I get all my products ranked on that first page of Amazon, and a lot more. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video if you can. I would really appreciate it. And let's get started. So right in front of me here, what we have is Helium10. This is the platform that I personally use to know exactly how much I'm going to need to get ranked on that first page of Amazon. And by the way, guys, if you need Helium10 or you're interested in getting it, use the link down below. It's going to be in the description as well as in the pinned comments, and it's going to give you a discount when using Helium10. It's going to be the best discount. So if you're ever interested in that, use that link down below. So we have here Helium10. I just want to show you guys the numbers of exactly how much I've been making on Amazon. And of course, it's been a long-term journey. I say this repetitive, like repeating in all my videos. Like I've been selling 5, maybe 6 years, but it continues growing. And I'm going to show you guys all my tips and tricks of exactly how I get ranked on that first page of Amazon. There's no secrets that I'm going to be holding back. I'm going to be telling you exactly what I do. So first things first, we have Helium10 here, right? And yeah, it's great. What I love about it is that I'm able to see the profit margin after all FBA fees and all that. And I always like to make sure my profit margin is at 35%. I had mentioned it to all my students that you always want to keep that profit margin at 35%. So let's talk about ranking it on that first page. So when it comes to ranking on Amazon and Amazon SEO, the number one thing that gets you on that first page is sales velocity. It's not reviews, it's not anything else like that, it's sales. So when Amazon sees that your product is getting a lot of sales, they're going to be boosting you up above on the pages. So it works differently on Amazon. So let's say you're selling lash glue, right? And a lot of people buy your products, and when they buy your product, they're always searching up on Amazon lash glue. So if they're doing that, Amazon's gonna rank you for lash glue. So it always varies. So let's say you're ranked high on one keyword, but maybe low on the other keyword, because not a lot of people are searching that keyword and clicking your product and buying your product. So you have to, see which keywords are better to rank on and which ones are okay. And eventually they will all increase at the same time. So I'm gonna show you guys an example. Okay, I'm searching up lash glue here. And for this example, we are gonna be using this product. So for this example, we're gonna be using this product, eyelash extension glue. So I do mention on all my other videos, I use this product a lot as an example, because it falls under all the criteria I like when selling a product like this. Small and light, it's over $15, so the profit margin is good, and it's less than 3 pounds. So I mean, something like this is really good. Also, it's in a low competition and highly searched field, which there's not a lot of competitors that you have to compete with. So something like this, what I love about Helium10 is we get this Chrome extension plugin. You can actually see how much sales this person is doing every day, on average around that 300 sale mark. This company literally makes over $1 million profit selling eyelash extension glue. You can make so much money on Amazon with just the most random type of products, as long as it's high quality. This just shows you, I mean, you can go here, store, you can click the storefront, and you can see all of these are getting a ton of sales. Eyelash extensions, glues, bunch of glues here. So for this, how do these people get ranked on the first page, and how are you going to do the same exact thing? So for this, we need to know what the CTR is. So what I like to do is I like to click on tools here, and we're going to go to Cerebro. And with Cerebro, we're going to just type in the ASIN. You can use, for example, let's say if you don't have your product yet, you can use a competitor's product, and to see exactly how you're going to get ranked on that first page. This is good also for finding the right product to start selling on Amazon as well, so you can know more or less exactly how competitive the field is. So we're gonna copy and paste the ASIN. It's down here. Copy, paste, get keywords. We're gonna run a new search. So, okay, let's see what are they ranked on. Let's fix it up a little bit. We're gonna put, where's the review count? 1 to 10, 15, and minimum search volume 5,000, and then 100,000. So, extension glue. This just shows you a couple of them. So I was really looking for eyelash extension glue because that's like that main keyword that we want to get ranked. So for eyelash extension glue, how are you going to get ranked on the first page? How many sales you need? So what I like about this is that we have here eyelash extension glue. You can see it gets searched up 17,000 searches every day on Amazon. And right here is the CPR. This is what I look at. So when I look at the CPR, I try to sell products that have a CPR of 100 or less, because then I know more or less I can actually get on that first page of Amazon. So when selling products on Amazon, if I can't get ranked on that first page, I don't bother selling the product. So this is a product that only needs 47 sales to get ranked on the first page, which is absolutely amazing. So the CPR, you can see here, estimated number of units that need to be sold for 8 days. So you need to sell an average 48 units per day to get ranked on that first page for that keyword, lash extension glue. So 47 sales is a lot of sales for a beginner, but you can see how much revenue they're making. This person is making selling lash glue. I mean, we're gonna go back to this really quick here, and I'm gonna show you guys. So just for 50 units for 8 days, maybe you have to do aggressive PPC ads for it and really do exact keywords on eyelash extension glue. Then you're gonna get it ranked like that. But you can see how much revenue they're making every month. This is the monthly, how much revenue they're making selling this one product. I told you guys they have multiple products that they sell on Amazon, and this is just one product, right? So oh my god, like it's crazy, around that $200,000 mark off this one product, and that's revenue. And they have over 20 other glues that are making a lot of money as well. So that is exactly how Amazon SEO works with the ranking for the certain keyword. So if you want to get ranked for eyelash extension glue, make sure to do aggressive PPC ads, or even you can even get really like open-minded with it. You can do Instagram ads and tell people to search up eyelash extension glue for you, and then you would reimburse them or anything like that. There's a lot of you have to really get creative with it in order to be successful with Amazon. So think of other ideas that might be added, that you can add to it. So just get creative with it. There's a lot of little things that you can do with Instagram and Facebook, and also Amazon PPC advertising. You can do exact keywords and go really aggressive on that certain keyword for 8 days and get it ranked on that first page. That also works really well. So we talked about how to get ranked on that certain first page for the certain keywords. Now let's talk about SEO listing, right? Let's talk about how we can use our title to get ranked better on Amazon. So what I personally like to do when selling on Amazon is that for example, the main keywords here, so the beginning keywords always have the most strength when selling on Amazon. So for example, like I don't usually ever put my company name in it, only at the end of it, because the main strength of the keywords should be in the front. So for this, I wouldn't put extra strong. I'll put eyelash extension glue in the beginning, and then I would put for eyelashes right after that. Eyelash extension glue for eyelashes. And let's see, what other keywords are there was here. So then you can add like ones that you want to get ranked in, and you want to make it, you know, it just shows you the best strength keywords that you want to get ranked on are going to be at the front, and then the more like medium keywords will be in the middle, and the ones that you really don't care about will be at the end of the title. And that's how you're going to make the best SEO title for Amazon. Personally, that's what I do, and it works really, really well. So when it comes to bulletins like this, I mean, we have ChatGPT now that makes killer keyword bulletins for you in seconds, and you can even tell it to write an SEO keyword bulletin for you, and it'll do it in 5 seconds for you. Same thing with the description. It would make it really fast for you, really, really fast. So when it comes to images like this, we have Canva, and Canva is an amazing website. I mean, you don't require a lot of like editing skills to get started with Canva. There's a bunch of templates like this that you can actually do really fast. And there's also people on Fiverr. I'll leave a link down below of Canva and Fiverr. I'll link something like this, so you can even pay somebody to do it for you for really cheap, or you can do it yourself. But to do something like this, you need to have your company trademarked. And I also have a video on that trademark. I guess I'll put it in the description down below for you guys. And yeah, I'll put it in the description down below for you guys, because it's only a 4-minute video. It's really fast and it's really easy to understand. So yeah, I'll leave it in the description for you if you need your company trademarked. And if you do that, you can actually get these pictures on Amazon. If you don't have your brand registered, you won't be able to have these pictures or even upload any videos like this on your listing. It's good to add all this because people see it, and yeah. So when it comes to reviews, if your customers or friends, family, anybody, if they can leave great reviews and use some titles of like those main keywords on the title here, that actually helps a lot and boosts the SEO listing. So if you're trying to rank up for eyelash extension glue, if they put the best eyelash extension glue and all that stuff, it's really gonna help bump it up, and also like main keywords as well. So that's exactly what I do when making sure I want to get ranked on that first page of Amazon. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're new, like this video if you can. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on IG, Instagram, or comment down below. I'll try to help out as much as I can. Also, if you want, I also have a free course for you guys and a more advanced course. Yeah, that's about it. See ya. Peace.